welcome back to the channel, guys. I promise you, truck content, that's what we're doing. It's right there. Yeah, truck content, guys, let's go. All right, so big progress. Engine, trans, whipple, everything on the frame, suspension. Right now, lowering kit is going on. This is 3.5 drop, Alex?
2.4.
2.4 drop because it's 4x4, right?
Yeah, I don't want it on the ground dragging.
Yeah, you don't mess your camera up either. So yeah, we're about to get the lowering kit on, and then probably take the frame over and where the hood, or excuse me, the cab and the bed's at. It's starting to come together. Okay, one quick cool note, guys. If you're new to the channel, you don't know how Alex does these trucks. Obviously, full custom regular cab short bed, but we're swapping the rack, and the reason, Alex, what is this truck going to essentially do with this rack?
The parallel parking goes to the rack.
So it'll do all of that.
Yeah.
It'll back a trailer up too, I'm assuming.
Lane assist has got it all.
Okay.
Back and
So this regular cab short bed is going to have the lane assist, and it'll parallel park itself, and
everything out of 19 platinum.
So
all the interior is 19 platinum.
But yeah, to do that, you got to swap the rack, and so we're swapping the rack among other things. But if you guys thought the last black truck was cool and the white truck before that was cool, this one's going to be even more badass. It's basically going to have everything. But anyway, swap the rack and get the lowering kit on, and we'll check back with you guys in just a minute. All right, boys, real quick, had to show you some more goodies that we're going to put on as soon as the lowering kit's on. But Alex has got the 22-inch Shelby wheels and the brand new Toyos. Yeah, that's going to look sick. Very nice. But all right, so let's get back in here, get this truck lowered down. All right, so the other part of the equation is pull the rear end out and get that built. So this is just a standard open diff. This doesn't have the e-locker.
Yeah,
or
just
nothing.
Open diff.
Okay, so the remedy is, of course, and I know you regular cab short bedding guys know what this is. Got the Yukon. It's basically a modified S550 diff. So limited slip differential and then all your bearings. So gonna do that as well. So we'll have full limited slip in the rear, and we'll be doing the peg leg one wheel peel, trying to put down all that Whipple power. All right, checking in. Alex is doing the pain in the ass part. Tell us again, Alex. Notching those bolt holes.
½ inch.
And you have to do that, right, to keep your caster
On the camber and on that forward drive.
Yeah, the camber.
The lower controls got to slide in. Then we get to the wheel, the camber, right?
Yeah. And that sucks a little bit to do, doesn't it?
It's a little time consuming.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, check it in. Rear end and all that is right here. Got to put the diff in. You can 56 in it. Dude, you can almost smell that through the freaking worst smell ever. Yeah, about to put the Yukon locker in there. And man, talk about a lot of work. People really don't understand how much work you put into these trucks. It's crazy.
It's time consuming.
Yeah, and then you have to build the entire interior from scratch, and it's yep. Pretty wild. Work continues, guys. All right, guys, so next day and a whole poop ton of work later, it is a roller. What?
Roller.
Yes. So all of the lowering kit is on and done. Brand new wheels and tires on. Got the Yukon locker in the rear end. Rear end's all built, put back together, done. Rear suspension done. You got a roller, man.
21 leaf springs.
21 leaf springs, yes, which may bring it down a little bit. We'll see, but yeah, these are the 21s. You can see they're just one, and that's a carbon fiber overload, isn't it?
Yeah.
For the 21 models. So yeah, that's another first on this one, but freaking unreal, y'all. Like, you can't really tell a whole lot's been done, but so much has been freaking done. It's amazing. All right, boys, so the next iteration of the truck, we're gonna load it up and take it over where the cab and the bed and all of that are, and I'm gonna set that on there, and then Alex is going to do the long and tedious process of putting the interior together, which is a lot. It's gonna have all, you know, like Lariat platinum level stuff on the interior. So, but luckily he's done it about 1 million times, so it won't take long. But this one's gonna be pretty badass, and looking forward to the next update. Yeah, update coming very soon, and this thing probably be rolling. Alex, what do you think? A couple weeks or so? You rolling? A week? Oh, okay. Yeah. And then we'll be making some Whipple noises. Headers should be here shortly. That's the other waiting on those and a couple other stuff. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. This is going to be the best one yet. And we're all dying to see this one done. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.